So you might be running into this problem on Facebook, where basically it's telling you that the session has expired. Now there's a few things that can happen here, but the very first thing I'd recommend doing for the most part is just making sure that under session expired, that you actually go through, and essentially what happens here, sometimes it can be login issues, it can be Wi-Fi internet issues. So the very first thing I'd recommend doing is just going through and essentially making sure your internet connection is properly set up and it's completely working. Sometimes your internet connection may be the problem. So just go inside of your Wi-Fi connection right here, or your cell connection, and just make sure everything here is completely set up. So under Wi-Fi, just make sure your Wi-Fi connections are completely good, and under cellular, just make sure cell connection is properly good as well. A lot of the times that can probably be the issue, and you're probably just going to want to make sure that those things are fixed before continuing on. Now another thing you may want to do is making sure that Facebook hasn't randomly signed you out of your Facebook account. Sometimes that can be the issue, and pretty much all you're going to have to do is just make sure that your Wi-Fi connection account or your Wi-Fi account doesn't actually go ahead and essentially log you out of your Wi-Fi account. Your Facebook account isn't logged out for some reason, because that can randomly happen. So just close out of Facebook just like this, completely close out of it, give it a second, log back in, and it may just require you to log back into Facebook, and that can be another thing that can probably end up fixing the problem. Another thing you may want to try doing is going through and just go ahead and basically reinstall the Facebook application, or at least update it. So click on the search button here, and all you're going to want to do is basically, search up Facebook just like so. And when you're done with it, go and search it up just like how I did. You can click Facebook, and all you're going to want to do is update the Facebook application. For a lot of people, simply updating the Facebook app can probably end up fixing the problem too, and that may end up fixing it. If that still doesn't fix it, you can try making your way over to something like downdetector.com. And if Facebook is on here, it's like number 1, well, that can probably be the issue. So you may just want to go ahead and make sure that's not the problem before continuing on here as well. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.